Voice assistants and the Internet of Things have revolutionized how we interact with our homes. By combining artificial intelligence with smart devices, you can control your entire living space using simple voice commands. Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are leading this transformation, making home automation accessible to everyone. These voice-controlled systems understand natural language, allowing you to speak to your home as naturally as you would speak to another person. From turning on lights to adjusting temperature and securing your doors, voice assistants serve as the central hub for managing all your connected devices seamlessly. Voice assistants are artificial intelligence-powered software programs that understand and respond to spoken commands. They process natural human language and convert it into actions that control your devices. Amazon Alexa powers Echo devices and serves as a comprehensive smart home hub, integrating with thousands of compatible products. Google Assistant works across Google Home speakers and Android devices, leveraging Google's powerful artificial intelligence and search capabilities. These assistants use advanced natural language processing to understand context, recognize different voices, and learn your preferences over time. They make technology more accessible by removing the need for physical buttons or touchscreens, allowing you to control your environment through simple conversation. The Internet of Things ecosystem includes a wide variety of devices you can connect to your home network. Smart lights allow you to control brightness, color, and scheduling, creating the perfect ambience for any situation. Smart thermostats learn your temperature preferences and can automatically adjust heating and cooling to save energy. Smart locks provide keyless entry and enhanced security, letting you lock or unlock doors remotely. Security cameras offer real-time monitoring and alerts when motion is detected. Smart plugs transform regular appliances into connected devices you can control remotely. Multi-room speakers create synchronized audio throughout your home. All these devices communicate over your wireless network and can be controlled individually or grouped together for coordinated automation. The voice control process happens in 4 seamless steps. First, you speak a command to your voice assistant using natural language. The device's microphones capture your voice and send the audio to the cloud. Second, artificial intelligence processes your speech, converting sound waves into text and interpreting your intent. Advanced algorithms determine which device you want to control and what action you want performed. Third, the system sends a signal over your network to the specific Internet of Things device. This communication happens through standard protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, or Z-Wave. Fourth, the target device executes the command, whether that means turning on a light, adjusting temperature, or locking a door. This entire process typically completes in less than 2 seconds, creating an almost instantaneous response to your voice. Setting up Amazon Alexa for smart home control involves 4 straightforward steps. First, download the Alexa app from the App Store for Apple devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Create an Amazon account if you do not already have one. Second, connect your smart home devices by putting them in pairing mode according to manufacturer instructions. In the Alexa app, navigate to the Devices section and add your new equipment. Third, enable skills for your device manufacturers. Skills are like apps that teach Alexa how to communicate with specific brands and product lines. Search for your device manufacturer in the Skills section and enable their official skill, then link your account credentials. Fourth, use the Discover Devices feature to let Alexa scan your network and automatically detect compatible products. Once discovery completes, you can organize devices into rooms and groups for easier control. Setting up Google Assistant follows a similar process with its own unique features. First, open the Google Home app, which comes pre-installed on Android devices or can be downloaded from the App Store for Apple devices. Sign in with your Google account to get started. Second, set up your home structure by creating a home and adding rooms like bedroom, kitchen, and living room. This organization helps Google Assistant understand which devices you mean when you specify locations. Third, add your smart devices by tapping the plus icon and selecting Setup Device. Choose the Works with Google option and search for your device manufacturer. Fourth, Link your device manufacturer accounts by entering your credentials when prompted. This connection authorizes Google Assistant to control those devices. After linking, assign each device to the appropriate room for intuitive voice control based on location. Voice assistants understand natural language, meaning you can speak to them conversationally. When you say turn on the living room lights, the assistant identifies the room and device type, then activates the appropriate smart bulbs. Saying set temperature to 72 degrees tells your thermostat to adjust to that specific temperature. For color-capable lights, you can say change bedroom lights to blue, and the system will switch to that color. Security commands like lock the front door engage your smart lock mechanism instantly. Entertainment commands such as play music in the kitchen start audio on the designated smart speaker. You can even activate entire scenes by saying activate goodnight scene, which runs a pre-configured routine that might turn off lights, lock doors, and adjust temperature all at once. The beauty of natural language processing is that you do not need to memorize exact phrases. The artificial intelligence understands variations and context. Routines and scenes allow you to automate multiple actions with a single command. A good morning routine might be triggered by your voice or scheduled for a specific time each day. When activated, it turns on bedroom lights gradually, sets the thermostat to 70 degrees, starts your connected coffee maker, and reads your weather forecast and news briefing. A leaving home routine simplifies departure by turning off all lights throughout the house, locking all connected doors, setting the thermostat to away mode for energy savings, and arming your security system. For entertainment, a movie time scene dims living room lights to 20%, turns on your television and sound system, closes smart blinds, and even sets your phone to silent mode so you are not interrupted. A bedtime routine ensures everything is secure by turning off all lights except a dimmed bedroom lamp, locking all doors, setting a comfortable sleeping temperature of 68 degrees, and playing relaxing sleep sounds. These automations save time and ensure consistency in your daily routines. Voice-controlled Internet of Things systems offer numerous advantages for modern living. Convenience is the most immediate benefit, allowing you to control devices hands-free while cooking, carrying items, or relaxing. Accessibility is significantly improved for people with mobility challenges or visual impairments who might struggle with physical switches or smartphone apps. Energy savings result from optimized device usage, as you can easily turn off forgotten lights or adjust thermostats when leaving home, reducing utility costs. Security is enhanced through remote monitoring and control, letting you check cameras, lock doors, and manage your home from anywhere in the world. Automation capabilities save time by handling repetitive tasks like morning routines or bedtime preparations automatically. Remote access means you are always connected to your home, whether you are at work, on vacation, or just in another room. These benefits combine to create a more comfortable, efficient, and secure living environment. Follow these best practices to ensure success with your voice-controlled smart home. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi network that covers your entire home, as reliable internet connectivity is essential for all Internet of Things devices to function properly. Use clear device names that are simple and easy to say, avoiding complex words or similar-sounding names that might confuse the voice assistant. Start small with just a few devices like smart lights or plugs to learn the system before expanding to more complex equipment. Prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords for all accounts and enabling two-factor authentication wherever available. Keep all apps and device firmware updated regularly to ensure compatibility, get new features, and protect against security vulnerabilities. Train your family members on how to use voice commands properly so everyone can benefit from the automation. Remember that building a smart home is a journey, not a destination. Take your time, experiment with different features, and gradually expand your system as you become more comfortable with the technology. Start building your smart home today and experience the convenience of voice-controlled living.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.